Hello everyone. UPSC essay paper has become more tough these years because all philosophical essays is being asked. Comprehending philosophical essay and writing an effective essay has become a more challenge for UPSC aspirants. Essay workshop which will include 3 essay classes as well including 3 live practice sessions in the class. This will help you in understanding what the mistakes you are committing right now and why you are not getting good marks in the essay paper, plus what should be your approach in understanding the philosophical essay as well as other essays, and how you should deal with such essay in very nice manner and write an effective and better essay. All your fears for the philosophical essay will definitely evaporate after the session. That's a guarantee. After the practice paper, there will be elaborate discussion on the same topic, and it will be very communicative and engaging in nature, so that you understand the topic in very nice manner and you understand how to write essay in very good manner. So see you soon in the class. Thank you very much.